Yeah?
Yeah.
What's up? We're here in the Outrun Us garage. For the Outrun garage. See, already.
It's alright. It's alright. The official Outrun garage. We're here. This is day one of actual work.
Working. I have gloves on.
Yes. I need some.
Yeah.
Can I have some?
Yeah. You got some. Here.
Last episode, we were not working. We were just fooling around with our cars in the parking lot.
Yeah.
But today, why don't you tell them what we're going to do?
We are going to remove this beautiful interior in my E30.
So...
It's a little hard to see from there, but you'll get a closer look.
I'll pull the camera off in a sec.
Right.
I got a glove up.
Yeah, you can't be touching cameras without gloves on.
Gross.
Yeah. So yeah, this interior is going to come out of this car. This interior will be going into the new E30, but we want to salvage it because it's pretty awesome. It's a M-Tech reproduction cloth. It's got leather and Alcantara bolsters. It is gorgeous. Even the headrests have M-Tech cloth, which I think is super cool.
One more shot of those.
Yeah. It's got some red stitching going on. So yeah, we want to hang on to this interior for the next car. So today we are going to remove it and store it while we're getting the next one ready.
Okay.
So yeah.
We put it on some skates.
Yeah, it's skating.
It's a skateboarding car now.
Yes.
We're going to move it, and we're going to get to work.
Yay.
Okay. So I removed this already.
Nice.
This was
fast. 17.
Alex won't let me touch his tools at all, so I have to bring my own.
Yeah, I'm mean.
No, just kidding. For efficiency.
You like being smart sometimes.
Sometimes.
Other times, meh.
I can't wait until we're big enough for people to start leaving comments about all the mistakes we're making.
Oh, yeah.
And how we're wrong about stuff.
You're
and
wrong about everything.
that's the best part about the internet.
Yes.
Okay.
Never been right. Yeah, buddy.
It's like delivering a baby. Just brought this beautiful
I don't know how many pounds, man.
M-Tech seat into the world.
We're keeping you alive.
So we've been working for about 8 or 9 hours now. Now it's been like 12 minutes. So it's track ready, dude.
Track ready,
This is probably a 9-second car at this point.
It's actually it's already been to the track and ran into the wall. Like, this is great.
Pre-crashed.
It's pre-crashed.
This is how you make a 9-second car, though. Just take everything out of it.
Less weight equals less weight.
Whoa, dude.
Bro, I just thought of that.
Trademark.
No one else said it. I think it shouldn't be too much more. Hopefully they don't break, huh?
Ooh. If they do, I want that on video. Also, I want to be away from it.
Get it? Don't know. I'm not sure, guys.
Too much glare. Here we go.
Might be the wrong size.
Haha. What?
I can't tell if I am grabbing it or not.
You ever seen underneath a seat before? Behind, I guess. This is the backrest. This looks like something a bird would make.
Yeah, I'm not sure that modern seats are still looking like that.
That's some bird nest stuff right there.
Totally.
It's crazy. Pretty cool though. Alright. Let's keep pressuring Alex to get this done. He's responsible for your entertainment. Whether this makes it in or not, I don't know.
I think we got it.
Don't say anything funny. Because if you do, then we can't cut it.
Mine. Ah!
You're lucky I started the camera back up. Alright, windows off.
I actually don't know why I handed that to you, but
Yeah,
it just felt right. Here, why don't you hand it back to me?
Okay.
Good job.
Thanks.
Teamwork.
You just wanted me to feel the weight savings gain.
Yeah, man, we're going so fast now.
Because we're going to run without him.
We're so fast.
Dang.
So they have these really cool, these guys, but
Yeah.
they're old school and they say M-Technic on them in like the old style.
Heck yeah.
So I think that needs
We'll try to snag some.
Yeah, they're still available at the dealership.
Oh, wow.
They're not cheap, but I think it's worth it.
Hey,
Why skimp out?
this is not our
Not the budget build.
budget build. Well, not your budget build.
Right?
So I was watching some videos of time attack cars, and they'll actually move the seat further back.
What's the time? Sorry.
Time attack is some sort of racing league. I don't
Oh,
know.
okay, okay.
But I think it's shorter, like sprint racing, essentially. I don't know.
Okay, cool.
I'll probably have to cut all this because I have no idea what
It's
I'm
fine.
actually talking about.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
But the weight reduction is so extreme in these cars that the hardest thing to balance is the driver, right? So you have they move the fuel cell and the battery and all this stuff, and then you put a driver right here.
It throws it off.
But so I was watching one where they centered the driver and then moved them way back. So they're driving from like back here.
Yeah.
Like,
Almost McLaren-esque or something.
it's so
yeah.
crazy.
Interesting.
So funny. Okay, center console out.
Out. That's a long way out. It should, if you pull upward,
I got
it's going to have to cut. Yeah, word.
Being gentle.
Good. You deserve that. Sweet.
Should make a headboard.
Yeah,
No, for like a
the
bed.
bed.
M-Tech headboard for
I
your
don't know,
bed.
not sure how Adriana would feel about that one.
Alright, interior. Look at that. Look at that Dynamat job. Done by Mr. Alex himself.
Don't need it anymore, huh?
Cool.
Interior's out.
Interior is out. I think we're gonna do.
Try and pull the dash.
You wanna try to pull the dash next?
Yeah, pull the dash next time.
Cool.
Yeah. So yeah.
All right. Well,
Everything's out for the most part. I think we did a
seats,
good job.
carpet, trim, basic stuff like that. Interior stuff.
Success.
We'll see you in a bit, and we're gonna attempt to pull a dash.
All right.
All right.
Doing it. See ya.